Did you know that since November 2023, TikTok started banning and shadow banning you for making unoriginal content? If you copy a competitor's video one-to-one, you're gonna get shadow banned or banned. Even worse, if you copy your own content and on the same account you post a very similar video 2 or 3 times, your account is gonna be ruined. This means that even if you make perfect content, but you just don't know this one thing, you're literally not gonna go viral anymore. And today I'm gonna reveal to you all the most important things you need to know about the TikTok algorithm. It's literally going to be 9 very practical hacks, and if you just apply those, you will go viral more frequently, guaranteed. And then there's going to be a 10th one, which is just going to blow you away. The first one was don't copy content too similar. Number 2 is this one. In a lot of the cases, content goes viral not because of the video, but because of the comments. If you force a really good comment below your video, the video itself goes viral because everyone loves the comment and engages with it. What you can do is just force virality by importing and copying other people's comments below your video as well. This is just something which, if used properly, it's gonna make everything better. For example, there's one viral comment going around, which is, does this hurt? And people are commenting this below a bunch of videos. So for example, here on this wood burning video, everyone is literally commenting, wood lives matter, or does this hurt the wood? This is a very common comment which you're going to see across a bunch of niches. For example, here, does this hurt the dirt? And this comment by itself boosts the engagement of the video. Way more people save it and share it and send it to their friends, and it just makes the entire video much better. Number 3 is give people the chance to feel smart. There's a bunch of ways how to do this, and here's a couple of very common forms. So here's one where you basically have a question asked from the comments, and you make a video where you just don't answer it at all, but you pretend like you're gonna answer it.
Are the mini drift cars waterproof? That's a great question, and I have the answer for you. All of our drift cars come with a remote 4 rubber tires and cones to practice drifting. They also come with 2 batteries, which is why people ask.
You give people the chance to feel smart because it's very easy to make a joke here, and it was done. Bro drifted around the question. It's a drifting product, and it's just a very natural joke which is gonna pop up. This is something which is just gonna force success on you. And everyone who's gonna comment you didn't answer the question is gonna feel a little bit better about himself, because that's a comment where everybody's gonna resonate, right? Everybody wants the answer to the question, they don't get it, and then somebody comments that and they're like, yeah, he's right. People just feel like everybody's gonna approve of their comment. Number 4, very, very quick and simple. Never reuse a clip twice. If you posted a clip on TikTok, just don't reuse it ever again. You're not allowed to film something and upload it multiple times, or take a clip and put it in a bunch of your videos. Even if it's just a couple of seconds, don't do that, you will get shadow banned. Also, don't repost videos. If your video didn't perform or did perform, don't post it again on your channel. You're not allowed to do that. Even on other channels, you're still not allowed to post the same video twice. You will get shadow banned. Number 5 is adding controversy that makes sense inside of your niche. You can use controversy the right and the wrong way. The wrong way would be just saying a bunch of inappropriate things or making jokes which are not related to your niche at all. The right way, though, is exactly what I'm going to show you here. So in this video, the cereal was poured out of the milk jug, and the milk was poured out of the cereal box. First of all, that is a thing which made this video go viral. Now, on top of that, people were expecting the person to put milk in first, but out of the milk thing, the cereal came out. And in this whole cereal niche, everybody's mad at people who put the milk first and then the cereal. So this is very niche related. This is only relevant to people who actually do eat cereals. Now, this only works because it's connected, because you go viral in that niche. It's the same thing which people are doing with this guitar pick thing, where they pretend to play the guitar, but in reality it's just a voiceover, and you can kind of see that. People are going crazy about that and are all saying, yeah, he's not actually playing the guitar, he's a scammer. But who is saying that? Only people who are playing the guitar. They catch on to that because they understand the niche. So you still go viral in the guitar niche, which makes it totally fine. Even if people catch on to bullshit you do, it's still okay if it happens inside of your niche. Number 6 is adding extreme contrast to your videos. What this means is just finding your product in the worst possible version ever. Here's an example. With this wallet thing, the person who did this video actually went all out there and built a shitty looking wallet by himself just to make the actual version look better. This is just something which is going to make your product look so much better and is going to make you so many more sales, because these prototype videos make your video just look better in contrast. You know, all these beauty products where you have like a girl looking like shit and then they use the product and they look amazing. The glow up is a thing which is obviously gonna sell, because that is what you are selling if it's a beauty product. You can do the same thing though with everything. You can have a water gun, you find the worst possible water gun and try to shoot it and nothing happens, and the water literally just drops instead of shooting, and then you show yours and it's shooting super far and everything's great. So that's one part of it. And the second thing is, just by you saying that this is the prototype version, people are expecting to see the actual version, so you have an implied scroll stopper. People are expecting something else in the video, so they keep watching. Number 7 is you make sure you always, and I mean always, post reply videos after you hit a 50k view video, which is still climbing in views. This is a crucial part of getting more sales. If you are going viral, but you don't have these reply comments posted right after the video, which are super salesy and explain people how to buy the product, where to buy the product, you're missing out on a lot of money. If you go viral, let's say to 1 million, okay, you have a 1 million view video and you didn't post a reply video, all the people who watch the video are going onto your channel, but they're not being properly sold. Sometimes your video itself is doing all the selling by itself, but in most cases, the video by itself is not extremely salesy, and that's why it went viral, because it's good content, and salesy stuff usually tends to not go viral as easily. And that's why you need these reply videos, and it's very important to make them quick. 50k views, and if you see the views are going up right away, just do a reply video and ideally do multiple. Number 8 is when you're doing product research and you find a dropshipper who's doing his organic stuff. In a lot of the cases, he's actually going to be following a bunch of other dropshippers because he's doing product research himself. So if you go through the people a dropshipper follows, you're going to see a bunch of accounts which already are doing the thing. So you're literally going to piggyback ride off his product research and just copy it into your business. You're going to find so many more products if you actually do that, if you go through the people dropshippers follow. Here, for example, this guy is following 31 people, and most of these guys are only other dropshipping accounts. So great, I found one product, and then on top of that, another 31 products right away just because I check his followers. Number 9, and this is a little bit more advanced, but find products which have a high barrier to entry. For example, this product, just to sell this, you literally have to have a baby. It's very difficult for most dropshippers to actually sell this product. However, if you have a little sister or a kid, go ahead and start selling this. You need to think what you have and try to make the best out of it. Usually, when you're good, the biggest issue with dropshipping, you keep going viral, but everybody steals your product right after you do, and the product starts to become saturated. So if you can find a product which people are not able to sell, you're going to be able to stick out and be able to sell one product for literally years. And this is exactly how you build a proper brand. This is one level above regular dropshipping, where you find products which are extremely difficult to film, difficult to source. No supplier has it. You have a patent. You have like special rights with the supplier and he's not selling it to anybody else. Things like that. If you can manage to do that, you're going to crush everybody. Nobody's going to be able to compete with you. And number 10, and this is something which Mikey again is extremely good at. It's basically finding content in your niche, but who are not dropshippers, and just replicate it. You need to understand that even though your competitors are dropshippers on the surface level, in reality, it's people in your niche. If you're in the guitar niche, you're not competing with dropshippers. You're competing for eyeballs on TikTok when people scroll with people who are playing the guitar. So people in the guitar niche are usually popping up for guitar players, and that's who you're battling against. So you need to make your content as similar as possible to those guys because they go viral. Usually, content creators are better at doing content than dropshippers. So you need to get inspired by those. And here, for example, in the last video Mikey posted, he has done that perfectly. He just found this guy who's going viral left and right with his guitar thing, and the guy was not using the guitar pick, which was the product. Mikey took the guitar pick, replicated the video exactly like he did it, but with a guitar pick, and started going viral and also make money off it. So this is something you need to do. Your competition is content creators, not dropshippers. Always keep this in mind. And to that, I want to mention one thing. Getting shadow banned or banned on TikTok is a very big issue. So if you just fuck up a couple of technical things like the VPN setup or a bunch of things which are just small details, you're going to ruin the entire account. If you want to have an entire checklist on all the technical things you need to keep in mind to not get shadow banned, you can actually DM me the words technical guide on Instagram and I'm going to help you out with that. That's it for the video. If you want to get mentored by me and my team, click the link below and I will see you soon.